Picture a future where artificial intelligence takes over your job. Sounds unnerving, doesn't it? The rapid advancements in AI technology have stirred up a whirlwind of fear and speculation about the future of human jobs, particularly in the field of data science. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue machines with elements of human intelligence. These machines, or AI models, are capable of learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and even understanding human language. On the other side of the coin, we have data science, a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Data science is pivotal in our modern data-driven world, acting as the backbone of decision-making in businesses, governments, and organizations. But the question remains, will AI replace data science jobs? Stick around and let's unravel this together. Before we delve into the debate, understanding the roles of AI and data scientists in the industry is crucial. Let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI. It's a term that's been buzzing around for a while now, hasn't it? AI refers to machines or software mimicking human intelligence, learning from experiences, adapting to new inputs, and executing tasks that normally require human intellect. AI can process and analyze large volumes of data at lightning speed, identify patterns, predict outcomes, and even make decisions based on the data it's fed. However, as impressive as that sounds, AI has its limitations. It's only as smart as the data it's given and the algorithms it's programmed with. It lacks the human touch, the capacity for intuition, creativity, and ethical judgments. It's a tool, a powerful one, but still just a tool. On the other hand, we have data scientists. These are the people who breathe life into AI. Data scientists are problem solvers, storytellers, and decision makers. They collect, manage, and analyze large sets of data, deciphering the story it tells to make informed decisions. They're skilled in mathematics, statistics, and computer science, but they also possess a unique blend of analytical and creative thinking. Data scientists use AI as a tool to help them in their tasks. They create the algorithms that power AI, feed it data, and interpret the results it provides. They add the human element, the context, and the ethical considerations to the cold, hard data. They are the artists. AI is their paintbrush. So the key difference here is that while AI is a tool, data scientists are the craftspeople. AI can process data but can't understand the implications or the context. It can't ask the right questions or make ethical decisions. That's where data scientists step in. They guide AI, use it to its full potential, and add the human touch that AI lacks. So AI and data scientists have distinct roles to play, but could one exist without the other? AI and data science are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they intertwine more than you might think. AI, artificial intelligence, is the engine that powers many of our modern marvels, from self-driving cars to voice assistants. Data science, on the other hand, is the fuel that keeps that engine running. It's the process of extracting knowledge from big data, using programming, statistical analysis, and machine learning. While AI has the ability to automate routine tasks, it doesn't have the critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills of a human data scientist. AI can crunch numbers faster than any human, but it needs a human to ask the right questions, to interpret the results, to understand the context, and to make ethical decisions. These two fields complement each other. They're like two sides of the same coin. Together, they can achieve far more than either could alone. AI is an incredibly powerful tool, but it still needs a human touch, the data scientist. So where does this leave us in the AI versus data science debate? Well, it's quite clear that the question isn't about one replacing the other. Rather, it's about how they can work in tandem. Artificial intelligence and data science are not adversaries. They are allies. AI is a powerful tool that aids data scientists in their work, enabling them to analyze massive amounts of data at a speed and efficiency that would be impossible for a human. On the other hand, data scientists bring a human touch to the table. They possess the ability to ask the right questions, interpret results, and make strategic decisions based on those results. They are the bridge between raw data and actionable insights. In essence, AI and data science are two sides of the same coin, each complementing and enriching the other. They are interwoven in a dance of symbiosis, each amplifying the other's strengths. The future isn't AI versus data scientists. It's AI and data scientists working together to make sense of an increasingly data-driven world.